We've got a baby sister.
Her name is Summer. What's that? And she's 7 months old.
We like playing with our baby sister.
Here you go.
She likes this monkey toy.
Are you laughing?
She likes squishy things. What's that? Is that a cat?
Oh, here goes Summer.
We're seeing if she can roll over.
We want blue, lilac, or green. I like having a baby sister.
She loves going in her jumper.
She needs to have a sleep in the daytime.
Good night, Summer.
Say good night, everyone.